guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome. If you're new, don't forget to click that good old subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Yeah, I don't see why you wouldn't want to join the squad. You know what I'm saying? We get things done on this channel now. But click that subscribe button down below if you are new and you want to join the squad. Turn your bells on if you want to be notified every time a girl posts a video. And yeah, you will be notified. It's free. Also, you guys, 2019 goals and rules are as follows. We will save them coins. We will save them coins. We will save them coins, okay? And with that being said, you guys, I have this blue bob for you guys, and I have it for the low. It's very beginner friendly. I will show you guys how I got this in the video and all of that good stuff, because we saving coins, we doing it for the low, we being a baddie on a budget, we're doing all of that good stuff. You want to see how your girl got this blue hair flowing, custom color? Then keep on watching. So right now I'm just showing you everything that will be needed for this process that I used. Some people might do it differently, but this is how I do it. And yeah, so I'm just using this Kiss colors. I love this stuff, you guys. And the conditioner is the Suave, and I'm using that because I want the color to be lighter than what the color I actually bought. And yeah, I'm just showing you the hair. I did get this hair from my local beauty supply store, and I paid like $14 a pack for the pack hair and like $34 plus tax for the closure. So the closure costs more than the pack hair. All right, now I'm going to put the whole bottle of hair dye inside of the mixing bowl, and then I'm going to take like a little bit of the conditioner and add it to brighten up the color just a little bit. And yeah, I didn't really do any type of measurements. I pretty much just eyeball how much I wanted, and I pretty much just used like kind of like the bowl as a measurement, because if you put all of the hair dye in there inside of this type of bowl, you know, too much conditioner wouldn't be able to fit like in there. So I didn't really add that much conditioner. So you pretty much just gonna mix it all up and everything to when it become like one type, you know. I can't really explain it, but to where it's like really mixed up, like really good, to where it's not like two different type of liquids inside of the bowl, if that makes sense. So I just laid the hair out, and I don't pretty much have like a technique that I do when I'm just dyeing the hair all one color. I pretty much just start from the ends, and sometimes I might start from the top and go down, but most of the time I start from the ends and work my way up. So you just gonna make sure you just saturate this hair in that color, you guys. Make sure it's all over, make sure all the blonde is covered with this blue hair dye. Like, you have to make sure so it won't be no, you know, sketchy looking pieces after you wash the hair and all of that stuff. So I did not show what I washed the hair with, but I have several videos showing you guys what I use, and I use the same thing every time I do any type of color or have to dye or bleach anything. I go in with the Shimmer Light simply because it's like a toner for the hair and all of that, like colored hair and all of that stuff. It's really good for like blondes and silvers and colored hair, so I always use that. And sometimes I might switch in between, you know, using the Suave or the 𝒃𝓃𝓉𝓄 conditioner, but for the most part I just go in with the Shimmer Lights purple bottle shampoo, and that's what I use for this, the shampoo and the conditioner from Shimmer Lights.
So here is the closure, and I pretty much just did the same thing with this closure that I did with the pack hair, and I'm gonna just put the color all over. Now the lace part, it will come out. Like if you end up getting the color all over the lace, and you know the lace is blue and all of that stuff, like all you have to do is use, you know, shampoo and condition it real good, and it will come out and it will look very nice. And you guys, I am not a professional, but I do try to do this stuff myself because I like to do a lot of things myself. You know, I like to try things out for myself or whatever, if you ain't noticed. But yeah, this is just my method of doing different things and doing things my way. So if you guys like this, please give this video a thumbs up right now. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys see the rest in the finished product and all of that good stuff. And I'll be back.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I am back, and this is the finished product after I made my wig. You saw how I dyed it and everything and got this color for the low. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this blue on me and this blue color and how I did it and everything like that. What else? Share this video, comment your thoughts down below, comment more colors that you might want me to do, or show you guys something, whatever, for the low. Yeah, so it's very beginner friendly. As you can see, it's very beginner friendly. I like it. This is my wig I had made. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe once again, follow me on all my social networks that I will leave up on the screen: Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I have Pinterest. All of the extra stuff I will leave down below in the description box. Some business emails, write me, all of that good stuff that you want to do. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.